we are, my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Laurie Hardman.
Now, Laurie, it's kind of cool. She was just sharing with me that she's from Tennessee and some other patients are from Tennessee, and they're like close.
Yeah.
So what brought you out here?
Well, I was having really debilitating pain in my hip, and I needed to find a resource for someone who believed that the hip could be regenerated. And so I found you on YouTube, and so here I am.
Okay, what's your experience been like? Because I know you've been here, about a week or?
Week and a half.
Week and a half.
It's been amazing. The staff is amazing. I did, obviously, here in the clinic, plus I utilized all the dental and the medical, and everybody has just been phenomenal.
I got to tell you, my crew down here, it's so cool because you got to hug everybody in the morning.
I know.
It's just neat. And now we did take X-rays and tests and everything else, and we're opening up. You see, hips and joints are alive. Bones are alive. Okay, so you got to change the force loading on it. You got to change the biomechanics, but you have to change the brain's awareness of the body. And this just means that we're human. Yeah. So if you move a joint and it hurts, you're going to stop moving that joint, and then the joint can't get life. It can't regenerate, and it starts to remodel the lack of motion. And you did something earlier today. I got goosebumps. Okay, it's so cool. Because, I'm coming from a guy, I used to have 2 broken knees, so I shattered my kneecap. Okay, so I'm familiar with limping.
Yes.
and one of the ways you have to change your force loading is by trusting that hip and joint. Even though I'm bending, turning, twisting, doing all sorts of stuff to it, and thank goodness you haven't punched me or anything yet. But she walked like 15 feet with no limp, and it's slow. It's slow, but
it was slow.
By God, you did good. That made my whole day. So what can you tell people? Because so many people don't know that arthritis can be reversed and joints are alive.
Yeah, I really believe just from being here in a week and a half, mobility has increased. So I've been able to move my hip and just be able to focus on the movements, which has been wonderful.
And that's literally what it is. That proprioception, and that's your brain's view of the body in space. I just have to start retraining that brain that this limb can straighten, this limb can bend, and you can trust that limb with the weight bearing and turning. But man, I was moving that sucker all around today. It was so cool. Okay, now, because there's people out there that don't know that joints are alive, that the body can regenerate, and they're in medical hell. What can you tell them?
Well, I just believe that by just doing the work and being here and having the hope and the just inspiration that this can change has just given me just a newfound desire to work through this till I get to a point where I can walk without a limp completely. And I've seen others that have come in and that have said that they've been here and been doing this for a couple of years, and now they're walking fine. So I'm very excited about that.
Did you meet the guy from Pennsylvania?
No, I met one of the ladies that said she'd been coming to you for 3 years, and she goes, and when I walked in, I couldn't hardly walk, and now she was just walking normal.
I know this guy, his leg changed. He's been here 2.5 weeks. It changed 6 millimeters.
Oh my goodness.
I'll show it to you later.
Amazing.
Okay, so your body's alive. It can regenerate, but you don't just work on the friggin' hip. Okay, you work on sleep patterns, heal the gut, physical, chemical, emotional stress, and then your body can regenerate.
Yeah. Now I have the tools. So
be like Laurie. Take care of yourself. Know the body's strong. It can regenerate.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, dear.
Yes.
God bless you all. Stay healthy.